For the credits part of this document that are going to roll at the end of our video, we're going to go to the comments and copy all of the URLs, image addresses for our final pictures. Let's go and take a look at those by going into our final images folder and making sure our view includes the dimensions and comments here. And we're going to one by one copy those. So I'm going to go to the first one, Control-C, copy. Go to my Word document and paste. It's very important to press Enter when you're done so that it turns into a link, because I need to be able to click and follow this link. Control-click will do that, and it needs to open up that picture in a Google Chrome. Actually, in this case, it's doing it on Internet Explorer, and the picture should show up. So let's do the rest of these. So once again, we're going to a fresh line, going back to our final images. Let me close these others. And going to number 2. Going to Comments, copy, return to Word, and paste. Press Enter. So we're just going to collect all of these quickly and easily. Now that I've got the addresses to all my pictures, I'm going to shorten these down, but I don't want to break the link. So we don't need the first part of this, https://www. That's for all of them. So we don't need to say that in our credits. And we need to find the point after which we don't really need. So I like to start from the end a lot of times and work my way backwards until I find the .com, .net, .gov, whatever that may be. So I'm going to delete the first part, and then carefully I'm thinking ws.gov. Whoops. Sometimes it can be a little tricky. I'm going to click where I want it to end and hold down Shift and press the End button. Nope, that's not working either. I can Control-click this way. Find a way where you can very quickly and easily narrow this down. We aren't going to need the .jpeg at the end. We're looking for wpengine.net there. And I don't think this at the beginning is really going to help us much. So I think it's a WordPress engine. This isn't the perfect way of knowing exactly who it was that took the original picture, but we can at least thank the website that it came from and list those like a bibliography at the end of our video. So let me finish doing this part. Apricot fruits. Here's Walmart images. You'll notice that I got 2 of my pictures from Walmart images. So we will just thank Walmart images one time, but because we need a link to each and every picture that we can click on and then it'll open up and show us the picture, we're going to keep this list just the way it is. Make sure that you are carefully deleting those parts so you can see what's happening here. Let me finish this up. And now that I have my complete list, I'm actually going to make a copy, go to the end, make a new page, and that's when I can get rid of any duplicates. For example, WalmartImages.com, I don't need to thank them twice. If you do have any duplicates, you can remove them from this list. So this is the complete list where any one of these we can Control-click and open the picture. And then this is what we're going to copy and paste into our Adobe Premiere project to scroll these at the end of the video.